Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video I'm gonna show you how you can simply create a flashy text for your edit in CapCut. So here I'm going to just add my text first. Okay, then I'm going to change the style, for example this one, and I'm going to change the font also. Okay, for example like this. And to create a flashy effects, you just need to go to animation and then here click on the loop and scroll down until you find flash animation. Okay, this one, just click on the flash, and in here you can adjust on how fast or slow you want the flashy effect in your text. I'm going to make it fast like this, and after that just click on the check icon and you are done with the flashy text effect like this. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Thank you.